Hi, welcome all for the new Node.js series. In this series, we are going to learn about what is Node.js and what is NPM and why should we learn Node.js and NPM and what are the advantages of those. How to install the Node.js and NPM on Windows, Mac OS and Linux. How to create a simple hello world example and execute that example against the Node.js. Create a simple HTTP server using Node.js. Let's start with what is Node.js. Node.js is open source server-side runtime environment built on Chrome JavaScript engine. The main advantage of Node.js is you can execute your JavaScript on the server side. Until Node.js is introduced, you are able to execute JavaScript only on browser. With Node.js, you are able to execute JavaScript on the server side. And we are going to do a couple of examples on that. Again, Node.js is not a programming language. Node.js internally uses JavaScript as the programming language. It's like a runtime that executes the JavaScript on server, like your Java runtime .NET framework. Talk about the key features of Node.js. Node.js is non-blocking and event-driven. So what do you mean by non-blocking? In case if JavaScript code is waiting for any input, it doesn't block the execution there. It will switch the execution to another thing, and once the IO operation is done, it will switch back and execute that code. Single-threaded. Most of the server-side programming languages like C#, Java supports multi-threaded, but Node.js supports single-thread. Means it contains only one thread to execute your code. Because of its non-blocking and event-driven nature, it can handle many concurrent connections efficiently, though it's a single thread. Node Package Manager. We have lot of reusable packages available in NPM, and if you want to add any functionality to your application, you don't have to build from scratch. There is a chance that a ready-made package is already available in the Node Package Manager. Apart, cross-platform. Node.js runs on Windows, Mac OS, Linux. That's the main advantage of the Node.js. Whereas other server-side programming languages have tightly coupled to Windows, and if you want to execute them on the other platforms, it is very tough. That's a key benefit of the Node.js. Let's talk about the use cases of Node.js. You can use Node.js to build real-time applications like chat apps and online gaming platforms. If you want to build any RESTful APIs to serve the services for the front-end applications, you can use Node.js. If you want to build the microservices that are part of larger system, you should be able to use Node.js. Create the build tools for automating the tasks like minification, transpilation, and bundling of JavaScript code. You should be able to use Node.js. The React.js application, Angular applications, when you want to start to install Angular CLI, if you want to create a new React app, all of them are built on top of Node.js. Just to build proxy servers that serve as an intermediary between your clients and the backend services. These are few use cases. There are a lot of use cases which you can build on top of Node.js. In next video, we are going to talk about how to install and set up Node.js. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.